display. The Aquos S2 has a 5-inch 2040 by 1080 IPS LCD. The image quality is generally good but with a flaw: the color saturation is way over the top. This makes the colors really pop off the screen, which most people will probably really like, but if you want accurate colors, you are not going to get them here. The display settings let you adjust the color temperature and for some reason, make them even more saturated. Display settings: Sharp Aquos S2 Review Display Settings, Sharp Aquos S2 Review Display Settings, Sharp Aquos S2 Review Display Settings. In terms of how all the weird cutouts look, we have to admit they are extremely distracting. As if it wasn't bad enough to have a giant tort right in the middle, you have these corners that look like the ears have been cut off. In apps with dark status bars, this isn't really noticeable, but in other apps it sticks out like a sore thumb. Eventually, you get over it as you are looking at the bottom thirds of the screen most of the time, but it's still quite jarring every now and then. Battery life. While we didn't put the Aquos S2 through our usual rigorous battery life test, in our regular use the phone frequently gave us about 5-6 hours of screen on time. This includes taking pictures, using social media applications, browsing the web and some phone calls. Despite the seemingly small 3020 mAh battery, the efficient Snapdragon 630 processor in our review unit barely sips power, making going through an entire day of use easy.